Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. So today we are making a hair mask, and on to our first ingredient, which is avocado. Avocados are extremely nourishing and moisturizing because they contain natural oils. They also contain vitamins and minerals. That means these will give our hair a balanced diet, and it is really good for our hair. They also contain biotin, which are great for the hair growth. Our next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that help to nourish the hair. I'll also be using the store-bought one. The aloe, I'll be using both the natural and the store-bought one because I feel the natural one might not be enough. So that's the reason why. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to heal damaged hair by softening, strengthening, and hydrating the hair strands. Wow, that's great because our hair sometimes gets damaged from the heat and UV and everything. And by the way, aloe vera, apart from having anti-inflammatory properties, they also help to treat itchy scalp and protect the hair from the UV damage. I mean, UV damage is a thing, but the aloes are great for that. Itchy scalp as well. Who have hair experience this. Itchy scalp is a big thing, but this mask will work magic on that. I'm telling you, you won't even feel that. It is so great. This mask is so great for hair growth. It also repairs damaged hair. Of course, it will moisturize and prevent hair damage. And apart from that, I'm telling you guys, have you seen how my hair turned out shiny? It also feels so smooth. I'm telling you, you should try this mask. Good. And I would recommend that you incorporate it onto your hair care routines. It is so great. Blend them together. After you blend them, uh you'd get your mask. Next step is to apply. For the application, for some reason, I did I don't have that file. I noted after application that my camera did not capture that part. But what you do, partition your hair like into 4 parts. Then you'll go in to each and every part. You'll partition now bit by bit. Then apply the mask from the hair strands going all the way to the scalp. You get. After that, you'll comb through the hair so that each strand will get all the goodness and nutrients. From that point, after you've combed through, you'll then massage your scalp so that the scalp will get the nutrients as well. Then wear your shower cap for 10 to 15 minutes. That will be enough, but in case you are not in a hurry or something, you can let it sit for an hour, 30, because these are natural ingredients. They will not harm you in any way, so they are good. You can keep them for an hour. From there, you just shampoo and you're good to go. You shampoo your hair, straighten, and now you can really experience the goodness, and you'll see that. So at this point, I'll just say thank you for taking your time to watch this one, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe as well. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Enjoy.